Are you somebody who's looking to make a Discord server for your community but you do not know how to get started? In today's tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to get started on Discord and what you need to know before you get started on Discord for your gaming community. And we're going to get started right now. Hi everybody, it's RetroYuuki once again giving you guys today's Discord tutorial. If it is your first time here, I do Discord tutorials, modded bot tutorials, and other types of bot tutorials for you guys. So make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. For today, we're going to take a look at how Discord works and what you need to learn about it. So links in the description to download Discord is below, so you guys can get ready to get started. So when you download the Discord, you're gonna get an empty Discord. Make sure you create your own account and you are good to go. When you make a brand new server, all you have to do is go all the way down to your plus button here called add a server. And you can create based on a template including gaming, school club, study group, and so much more. Now for our project this time around, we're going to make a gaming server, but we're going to make it from scratch. So I want you to create your own. Then you're going to see two options. Tell us more about the server. They're going to help you out with some setup part. So I want you to make it for me and my friends. And then going to add for a server name. I already have this server ready, so I can give you guys what the tutorial is. So what we have here are the channels and the categories. So what do we need to get started for a server in general? First off, before we get started with all the good stuff, I am deleting categories so we can do it from scratch. I want to show you how to get around. So to get around on Discord, you have the channels over here and the categories. As you guys saw already, I deleted them so that we can make it our own. To create a category, right click in this particular area and hit create category. The first category is going to be welcome, like this. Okay? That's a category. Inside the categories, we can have two types of channels, a voice channel and a chat channel. To create a channel in the same category, hit this plus button. Then we're going to take a look at two types of channels for this first tutorial, text channel and voice channel. Text channel is for texting, like normal text and any types of bot text that comes with a bot like the Moody bot. Or a voice channel where you can do your voice, you can do video screen and sharing. This is also useful for those of you who want to stream on Discord, which we will talk about later on down the line. But we're going to make a new text channel and we're going to call it welcome. Okay, that's a text channel. Then, to get around here, all you have to do is press this area for the chat, and you're already chatting right away. Now, of course, you're the only one in the server, and I'm going to show you how to start inviting in just a moment. But you can start saying hi there, or something like that. And your server is off and running. Now, to create a voice channel inside of the same channel category, hit this plus sign again, but this time go to voice channel, and you can put whatever you want to call it. So, voice 1. By the way, channel with the voice channel, you can actually have a space in the name. But with text channels, you cannot do that. Make sure you have a microphone handy for your voice channel, and you click here and you can connect, of course, if you have permission to. And we'll talk about permissions later on down the line. Now, for our project for this particular series, we're going to make a gaming based server, okay? So what types of categories would you go with gaming? Let me actually take off this channel, this voice channel. To do so, right click and say delete channel, press delete channel, and you'll be good to go. We're going to choose a few categories for our little gaming server here. In categories, we're gonna have a few channels. The welcome channel will have the welcome statement. Then we can add rules. Then we can have, for gaming, like game streaming, we can do schedule. Okay? And so on and so forth. The next category, great category, we can say streaming. Okay? And then inside of that category, we can say games. We can put live now, and so on and so forth. Okay, we're gonna create one more category, but here's the catch with this one. We're gonna go create category, but we're gonna make it private. All right, and let me show you how this works. The category is testing. All right, here's how this works. We're gonna create a channel and we're gonna call it Room 1. Okay, now as you saw, I added a space there because it's Room 1. So when you have a space in chat channels, you're gonna see a dash. Okay, now you see this lock icon. This lock icon means it's a private room. And because in testing we made a private category, only those with permission to do so can access this room. If you right click edit channel, you're going to see permissions. You can see I'm the only one that can use this room because number one, I'm the only one here in this test server. Okay? We'll talk about permissions in our next tutorial. Now the interface. Let me show you the interface. So categories and channels go here. Member names, member roles, and any other material with bots and stuff go on the right bar right here. The action becomes over here. Alright? Now, once you have your server set up in a way, we can start inviting friends. To do so, hit this plus button with the person's plus button and create invite. You're going to see this list of friends. Now, of course, there's my list of friends, but you get the idea. Instead, hit this button, edit invite link. What you want to do is hit this particular drop down menu, expire after, and you're going to say never. So that this link will not expire once it's done. Now, of course, what you can do is you can have like a promotion where if you invite in the next 7 days, you get this role, and we'll talk about roles as well in this series. And then you can generate a new link and you copy that link and then you hit it in your social medias. Okay, so that's how to invite and all that good stuff. And let me show you around the settings of the server. To get to the settings of the server, go to your server name up here and you're going to go to server settings. And we'll talk about all this in their separate videos, but the one that we're going to talk about next is going to be the roles. We'll talk about roles later on in our next video, but that's what you need to know for the moment. Okay? So in our next tutorial, we're going to be talking about roles and permissions at the same time. So hopefully you guys enjoyed a little bit of what to expect for this Discord server. I hope you guys learned something. We'll be back with you guys on another time when we're talking about roles and permissions, because those two are tied together. So hopefully you guys enjoyed, and as always, keep on gaming.